Hello friend, I am Shoham and you are watching my channel Research Talk. This is my second video and today I am going to unbox a new gadget that is Eyeball Clarko TV tuner. So let's unbox it. So this is the box of the TV tuner and here we can see there are some functions given, and now let's check the function. What are they? Such as the FM radio, PIP, picture in picture function, FM and antenna. And now let's check the price of the TV tuner. The price is 1899 and it has of 2 years of warranty. Now here is some feature and the functions that are given for the TV tuner. So let's unbox the TV tuner and we are going to open the seal of the box. And see what is there inside the box. And we can find another box inside the main box. Its packaging is quite good. So we will be opening the box now. And now we can see some contents that are present inside the box. The first thing is the user manual of the Eyeball Clarko TV tuner. And next it's come the remote of the TV tuner. And next it's come the 3-pin cable of the TV tuner. And next it's come the cable for FM antenna. And next we can find the adapter of the TV tuner. It is of 5.0 volt output and 600 ampere of current it needs. Now next it's come the audio cable of the TV tuner that will be connecting with the CPU. And next it's come the stand of the TV tuner that we will attaching later. And there is another box and let's check out what is inside that box. And so this is the VGA cable that we will also connect with the TV tuner. Now let's see the main TV tuner box. This is the TV tuner and we can find some keys over the TV tuner, and a small speaker is also there. And this is the signal catcher. And at the back of the TV tuner we can find different ports that are for different functions. And at the side of the TV tuner we can find the port for 3-pin plug. Now let's attach the stand and see how it look like. And so it look like this. With this we come to the end of our second video that was all about unboxing of the TV tuner. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and if you like this video don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any question regarding this video write it in the comment box.